have been harvesting since yesterday, so it's hugely rewarding day for me. So I'm going to share my choice of harvesting potatoes with you. Hello guys, as you can see in the video, these are the harvest of my potatoes. I'm really happy with my harvest. However, this year's harvest is not as good as the last year, 2020. As you all know, because of the continuous and heavy rainfall in UK, the ground was really soggy for a long period of time. Because of that, some of the potato has got rotten, and I had a tomato blight, and most of the plants died. Nevertheless, the good side is most of the potatoes are really big. As you can see in the video, most of the potatoes have grown really big. So I guess there would be more than 80 kilo. However, in 2020 I had harvested 120 kilos of potatoes. So because of the continuous rainfall and wet condition, the harvest didn't go well as I expected. Nevertheless, I'm happy with whatever I have, so it's not bad. Thanks for watching my videos, and if you are new to the channel, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel and press the like button and share with others. And finally, I'd like to request you to stay tuned to my channel for the upcoming videos and posts. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.